Okay. So share Gandharvika. We'll start. So you have to wait, okay? You have to tell one line and wait, everybody else can repeat. Then you have to go to the second one.
हरे कृष्ण मंत्र जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Om
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Vasudevaya.
जन्माद्यस्य
Janmadhyasya Itaratasarteshabhigyasvara Tene Brahma Hridayati Kavaye
मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः
Muhyanti Yatsurayah
तेजोवारिमृतामृता
Tejovarimridamyata
विनिमयो
Vinimayo
यत्र
Yatra
त्रिसर्गो
Trisargo
मृषा
Mrisha
धाम्नासेन सदा निरस्तकुहकम् सत्यं परं धीमहि सत्यं
Satyam
परं
Param
धीमहि।
Dhimahi. Okay, very good. Yeah, Ira want to tell, right?
Mataji, I thought the Srimad Bhagavatam prayer is different one ours. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah. It's different. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, Ram. Yes, Ram.
धर्म प्रोजत कैतवोत्र
Dharma Projita Kaitavotra
परमो निर्मत्सराणां शताम्
Param Saranam Satam
वेदं वास्तवमस्त्रवस्तु शिवदम्
Vedyam Vastavamatra Vastu Shivadam
तापत्रयोन्मूलनम्
Tapatrayomulam
श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनि कृते
Srimad Bhagavate Mahamuni Krite
किं वा परैरीश्वरः
Kimbavaririshwaraha
तद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यतेऽत्र
Sadhyo Hridyavarudyatetra
कृतिभिः शुश्रूभिः शक्षणात्
Prithibhishushrubhistakshana. Okay, thank you, Ram. Yarade Govinda.
निगमकल्पतरुर्गलितं फलं शुद्धं
Nigamakalpadharugalitam phalam
गलितं फलम्
प्रवसाम्युतं
Subhamukha
पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं
Pivata Bhagavatam Rasamayam
मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुका
Muraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavuka. Okay. Aradhita, can you tell Jai Shri Krishna?
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya
प्रभु नित्यानंद
Prabhu Nityananda
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
Shri Advaita Gadadhara
वासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा
Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Okay, Arav can tell Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Arav?
माता जी
Can you tell Hare Krishna mantra?
जी माता जी माँ जी बोलना शुरू करो
हाँ हाँ फर्स्ट लाइन बोल के सब लोग रिपीट करेंगे फिर यह सेकंड
हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे
हरे राम
हरे राम
Rama Rama Hari Hari.
Rama Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, all of you. Most of your videos are off. Okay, if you don't have any internet problem, then switch on your videos. And if you're not feeling too much shy, still you can switch on. If you're feeling too shy, it's okay. You can keep your video on. Okay? So, yes. So, why we have come here, all of us?
For learning Gopi Geet.
Gopi Geetam.
Geetam. To learn Gopi Geet.
So, what is Gopi Geetam? Anybody know?
Songs for separation.
Songs of separation by
By the gopis for Lord Krishna when they got
by the
separated from Lord
gopis.
Krishna.
Okay, by the gopis for Lord Krishna. Right. Anything else you know about Gopi Geetam? Chosana?
Mataji, it was like sang before the Rasa dance. When all the gopis came at the night
After. This is after.
after the Rasa dance.
Okay, so we don't require to need to know more about the details. But basically, the Gopi Geetam is after the Rasa dance. You don't have to. Actually, basically, they were remembering Krishna so much. That's why they all got together and they sang a prayer. This is a prayer. Anytime we miss Krishna, anybody here misses Krishna? I don't know. I don't miss Krishna. Yeah, but anybody you like so much somebody, if they are not there, you miss them, right? Somebody is there, right, in our life. So for gopis, that was always Krishna. For them, everything is Krishna. We like Mama, we like Papa, we like friend. So many other people, our besties and so many things. But gopis, the best. Who are the bestie? It's always Krishna. They always miss Krishna. So this prayer is not just is not as a song of separation. It is a song of separation, but it is more kind of a prayer we should always offer. We should do it every day. Right? The Gopi is teaching us lesson that we should always pray to Krishna, whatever it is. Right? As Ram told that this was after Rasa dance. Suddenly Krishna left the dance and went. And all the gopis were searching. So they were not upset with Krishna. But what happens in this world? We get upset with Krishna, right? Normally. Or normally anybody who leaves and goes, then we are very upset with them. We are angry. But the gopis, they are not upset. They are very lovingly thinking about Krishna, praying to Krishna, right? So whatever problem might come, they always remember Krishna in a positive way. So many of you were in the Gajendra Moksham, right? In Gajendra Moksham prayers, or many of you were there. So in Gajendra Moksham, what happened? Gajendra was caught by
Crocodile.
crocodile. Yeah, he was in a very painful situation.
Desperation.
But what happened?
He prayed to Lord Krishna.
Yes, when he offered a prayer, what happened? He didn't ask directly to Krishna, please relieve me from this crocodile. He offered that how Krishna is great, right? He glorified how Krishna is great. Okay, Shivansh, you have to mute, okay? So if anybody is talking, you can keep yourself. Yeah. So Gajendra was not just directly calling Krishna, Krishna, please take me from this crocodile's mouth. No, he was glorifying Krishna. He told so many things about Krishna. And at the last shloka, he told that, please, Krishna, relieve me from this material body. Take me out of this body. Ignorance. The body is full of ignorance. And please relieve me from the ignorance. Similarly, here, gopis are not directly asking Krishna, Krishna, why did you leave and go? Right? They are not asking like that. What we will do, if we have some problem, we will directly go to Krishna and tell all the problem. Krishna, these are the list of the problems. Why don't you do something for that? So gopis are here teaching, and all the teachers, right? We learned so many prayers. Any other prayer? You remember what we learned?
Mataji, Vritrasura Stuti.
Vritrasura Stuti. Kunti Stuti, then
Rudra Geetam.
Hmm?
Rudra Geetam.
Rudra Geetam, Shiva's prayers, Ritumara's prayer, Vitrasura demon prayer. All of them were there. They were in a problem, but they never asked.
Mataji, Prahlad Stuti.
Prahlad Stuti, we are going to learn next.
Mataji, Bhishma Stuti was also like when he
Bhishma
was.
Stuti, yes, Bhishma was lying on the bed of
Yes, ma'am.
arrows, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
all of them teach one thing, that when we offer some prayers, first we should glorify Krishna. First we should tell that how Krishna is so great. So even in the Dasavataram Stotram, anyone know?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, the Stotra, yeah. What they tell, all the 10,
All the 10 avatars,
prayers,
what they did.
yeah, Jayadev Goswami glorified how Krishna is really great. He was really great, right? He did all these things. He's not an ordinary, not ordinary like others taught. So all of them taught one thing, that first we glorify Krishna's name, pastimes, and whatever related with Krishna. Then we don't have to ask anything to Krishna. Krishna himself will be, right? That is the philosophy. We never go and we never should have been asking something, okay, I want this. Because Krishna knows what is good for us, right? So Gajendra also told in the last that please give me whatever you think is the best. Not that I think, even though he asked that please relieve me from this ignorance, then he also told that give me that which is best. So Vritrasura, he was a great devotee, but he was in the body of a demon. But what he prayed that please do the best, whatever is best, please do. Yes, so we are also going to learn the Gopi Geetam and learn many lessons from this. Not just prayers, like other prayers, every prayer, every devotee, teaching so many other things, right? So we are also going to learn making the gopis as our teachers. They are the highest teachers, topmost teachers. Actually, we are not qualified to utter this prayer, and really I feel that but many of them told that you can teach for children's because they are all not ordinary. Even though I am seem to be ordinary, but all of you are great souls. So learning with you will make me also understand some gopis, because this is the topmost prayer of all the universe, gopis prayers. Okay, so we learn and we try to take some lessons, and we will try to apply it in our lives. Okay, anybody has any doubt? So how we learn is, many of you know, but those who don't know, I'm just going to share the screen. Okay, so every word we will learn, we'll tell every word, then the whole line, and 2 lines we'll try to repeat. If there are more, please, we'll try to do full shloka. Then all of you can repeat individually each shloka, the whole shloka. Okay, so keep ready. If you don't want to unmute yourself, you can keep yourself mute and chant. And then whenever I call your name, you can chant the whole shloka. Anybody has any doubt? All clear, right? Each shloka, each word I will repeat. Then all of you can repeat. Fine? So just a minute, 1 minute, I'll be back.
सच में बोलून देतो ना
तू पहिला ते शिकवायला ते ऐक.
Okay, all of you can see my screen.
Yes, Mataji.
Nobody talk in between, okay? If you're talking, please mute yourself. And one more time, if you can put your videos on, it will be nice for you and for me also. Okay? Because you will be also focused in learning. You'll not be distracted with other things. I will be also focused at so many of you watching me. Okay? Fine. So we'll just learn little lessons from each shloka. We'll not go into details because it is not our capacity to go into details. Okay? Little, small things for you. So this is Bhagavatam, Canto 10, chapter 31, and there are 19 shlokas. So we'll try to do 2 shlokas in a week. We'll try one today. Okay, it's already time. So today we'll learn only 1 shloka. Okay. Next week we'll try to do 2 shlokas if possible. So what all of you should do is okay. So what you have to do is the whole week, please try to practice the shloka at least once every day. Okay, every day, once, 3 times, minimum 1 time at least you should chant the shloka every day. Before Sunday, all of you should be able to tell the shloka without seeing. Okay, try for without seeing. It's okay if you can't, you need some help in between, that is okay. But try for without seeing by the end of this day. So is it okay, all of you? Is it fine? Okay, after I finish the shloka, you can tell, will it be difficult or will it? Okay, we'll start. Okay, so there is not one gopis. Many gopis are chanting this shloka, so it is in the plural form. Gopya uchuhu.
Gopya
Uchuhu.
Gopya uchuhu.
Gopya
Uchuhu.
Jayati. Jayati te. Jayati te. Okay, this is silent A is here. So when we chant separately, Adikam.
Adikam.
When we chant together, this A will go silent. Okay. Jayati te dikam. Jayati te dikam. Janmana. Jayati te dikam janmana. Brajaha. Braja is which place?
Vrindavan.
Vrindavan. Right.
Vrindavan.
Yeah. Yes, very good. Okay. Janmana Braja.
Janmana Braja.
Janmana Braja.
Janmana Braja.
Okay. Jayati te dikam. Janmana Braja. Okay, there are many tunes for Gopi Geetam, so I am not very good at tunes. You can learn different tunes, whichever it is. I will chant a simple thing, okay? And after the class, I will send the recording of the shloka also for you to practice, okay? Jayati te dikam. Everybody? Janmana Braja.
Janmana Braja.
Jayati te dikam. Janmana Braja. Together. Together. Very good. Jayati te dikam. Janmana Braja. Okay, full line we are doing again. Jayati te dikam. Janmana Braja. Okay. Shrayata. Shrayata. Indira. Shrayata Indira. Shrayata Indira. Shashwad. Shashwad. Atrahi. Atrahi. Shashwadatrahi. Shashwadatrahi. Very good. Shrayata Indira. Shashwadatrahi. Okay, together now full line. Shrayata Indira Shashwadatrahi. Shrayata Indira Shashwadatrahi. Jayati Tedikam Janmana Vraja. Shrayata Indira Shashwadatrahi. Okay, how many of you finding difficulty? You can tell frankly. Anyone finding difficulty? Raise your hands. All are okay? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is learning shloka first time today? Anybody here like that? Okay. Hansa. Purjasuti already learning, right? You're finding difficulty? Purjasuti is already learning, yeah. Yes, Hansa. Hansa finding difficulty? Little bit. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Okay. All others? Priyanjali also? Your mic is not working.
I find it okay.
Okay, fine. All others are good, right?
Yes.
Okay. Please, if anywhere you find it difficulty, I'm going to repeat it again 2 more times. Okay, we'll repeat it some more time. Okay, Hansa, right? Your name? Yeah. Okay. We'll repeat it some more time, then you'll understand. Okay. So we'll repeat 2 more times. Okay. Gopyu chuhu. Jayati. So if you try to tell 2 times, then it will be easy. I will tell once and all of you can tell 2 times. Okay. That will make you easy. Yeah. Jayati Tedikam Janma Raja. Raja. Very good. Shrayata Indira Shashwadatrahi. One more time, okay? Okay, one more time, then all of you will tell 2 lines, okay? We'll go 2 lines together. Gopyo chuhu. Jayati Tedikam Janmana Vraja. Okay, I'll tell the full thing. Please wait. Shrayata Indira Shashwadatrahi. Okay, Aradita? Yeah. Go on, 2 lines.
Jayati Tedikam Janmana Vraja Shrayata Indira Shashwadat Atrahi.
Atrahi, very good. Yeah. Radhe, go and Sham.
Gopyachuhu Jayatedikam Janmana Vraja Jayata Indira Shashwadatrahi.
Sorry. Yeah. Shivansh, I think you have to mute, okay? Yeah. Meera?
Yes, Mataji. जयततेऽधिकम्
गोप्युचुः
गोप्युचुः जयततेऽधिकम् जन्मना व्रजा शयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
शश्वदत्र हि okay, yeah. Ram and Gadabrat.
गोप्यौचुः जयति देदिकम् जन्मना व्रजा शयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
Very good. You want to tell Gadabrat? Yeah, tell.
जयति देदिकम् बोलो
Okay, don't force him. Let him. Yes, Ira.
गोप्यौचुः जयतदेदिकम् जन्मना वृजय शरद इन्दिरा
Shrayata.
शरद इन्दिरा शश्वतत्र हि
Very good. Vedamshi.
गोप्यौचु
Gopya Uchuhu.
गोप्यौचुः जयति देदिकम् जन्मना वृज श्रयत इन्द्रिया शश्वतत्र हि हरे
Indira.
कृष्ण माता जी
Hare Krishna. Yes, Priya Vrinda.
गोप्यौचुः जयति देदिकम् जन्मना व्रज श्रयत इन्दिरा शश्वतत्र हि
Atra hi.
अत्र हि
Okay, very good. Maithili Vaidegi.
गोप्यौचुः जयति देदिकम् जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
Shashwadatra hi.
शाश्वतत्र हि
Thank you. Yes, Sudiksha.
जयति दीदिकम् जन्मना वृजा श्रयत शश्वतत्र हि
Very good. Yes, Shivansh.
गोप्यौचुः जयति तेदिकं जन्मना विज शयत इन्दिरा शश्वतत्र हि
Very good. Pujita.
गोप्यौचः
Uchuhu.
गोप्यौचः जयत तेदिकं जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
Shashwad. Okay.
शाश्वतत्र हि
Okay, very good. Sara, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, go.
गोप्यौचुः जयति तेदिकं जन्मना व्रज श्रयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
Shashwad. Okay, very good. Shraddha. Shraddha, right?
Yes, Mataji. Hare
Yeah,
Krishna.
yeah. Hare Krishna.
जयति तेदिकं जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
Very good. Priyanjali.
जयति तेदिकं जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
Very good. Radhika and Madhavi.
गोप्यौचः
Uchuhu.
जयतिकं जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा
Shashwadatra hi.
शाश्वतत्र
Very good. Chirag and Taruni, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
गोप्य उच्चौ जयति तेदिकं जन्मना व्रज शयत इन्द्रिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
Very good. Arjun. Arav.
गोप्यौचुः जयति तेदिकं जन्मन व्रज श्रायत इंदिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
Shashwadatrahi. Okay. Okay, very good. Aditi. Aditi.
गोप्य उच्युः जयति तेदिकं जन्मना व्रज श्रयतु इन्दिरा शश्वदत्र हि
Very good. Arjun.
माताजी
गोपी उच्च जयति आदिकं
Vedikam.
जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शश्वदात्रिः
Atrahi. Okay. So whenever that's yeah. See here. This is ta. Long a. Okay. And this is tava. So you learn your local language, right? Like Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi. There is English में ऐसा नहीं है ना? So, but in Sanskrit also like that. All of you can see my screen, right? Yeah. So, this is Shashwad. Shashwad Atrahi. Okay. Anyone else I missed or you want to chant? Please raise your hands. Yeah, Gandharvika Dhanvin, please.
श्रीकृष्ण माताजी गोपी उच्युः जयति तेदिकं जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शश्वदत्र हि
Atrahi. Okay.
शश्वदत्र हि
Very good. Thank you. Yeah, Urjaswati, please.
गोपी उच्चः जयति तेदिकं जन्मना
Raja.
प्राय
Shrayata Indira.
इन्द्रिया
Shashwad.
शश्वदत्र हि
Very good. Yeah. Anyone else? Please raise your hands, okay? If you want. Jashwant or Sanvi.
माताजी
Yeah, Jashwant.
गोप्य
Shuhu.
जयति
Teti Tedikam.
जन्मना व्रज श्रयत इन्द्रिया शश्वता हि
Atrahi. Okay, so don't worry. Next time it is not going to be this long. We will learn the full shloka and each of you will tell. Okay, so all of you got a habit, right? How we are doing. Yeah, and try to repeat as much as possible. So many times I'm repeating. You also repeat. Okay. Daita. Everybody.
सीता
Drishyatam.
दृश्यताम्
Daita Drishyatam.
दृश्यताम्
Daita Drishyatam.
दृश्यताम्
Dikshu.
दिक्षु
Daita Drishyatam Dikshu. Daita Drishyatam Dikshu. Tabakas. Tabakas. Dikshu Tabakas. Dikshu Tabakas. Daita Drishyatam. Dikshu Tabakas. Okay, we'll tell the full line. Daita Drishyatam. Dikshu Tabakas. Daita Drishyatam. Dikshu Tabakas. Very good. Gopya Uchuhu. Jayati Tedikam. Janma Braja. Shrayata Indira. Shashwatatrahi. Daita Drishyatam. Dikshu Tabakas. Okay, last line. Twayi dhritasvavas. Okay. Dhritasvavas. Okay, whenever you find difficulty, you can break it and learn, because Sanskrit has that wonderful capacity. It is the same, right? Not like English. We can pronounce when you break it, you can easily pronounce it. Okay.
Can you please repeat again?
This one. Twayi dhritasvavas. Dhritasvavas. Twayi dhritasvavas. Tvam. Tvam.
Vikinvate.
Twayi dhritasvavastvam. Twayi dhritasvavastvam. Okay, this is one word. I'm just divided. Okay. Twayi dhritasvavas. Vichinvate. Vichinvate. Tvam vichinvate. Okay. Together. Twayi dhritasvavastvam vichinvate. Twayi dhritasvavastvam vichinvate. Okay. Gopyuchuhu. Jayati tedikam janmana vraja. Shrayata indira shashwadatrahi. Daita drisyatam dikshu tavakas. Twayi dhritasvavas tvam vichinvate. Again, last line. Twayi dhritasvavas tvam vichinvate. Okay, one more time. Full shloka. Gopyuchuhu jayati tedikam janmana vraja. Shrayata indira shashwadatrahi. Daita drisyatam dikshu tavakas. Twayi dhritasvavas tvam vichinvate. Twayi dhritasvavas tvam vichinvate. Okay, all are clear? Okay, so I'll start with start with Radhika and Madhavi.
Jayati
जन्मनाव्रजा शयतेन्दिरा शाश्वत
Mataji, I need to leave. I need to
Okay.
leave my
Okay,
mother's house.
Ujjus. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Hare
Yeah.
Krishna.
Yeah. Hare
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Mataji.
Yes. Yeah.
Vasavas Swam Vichinva.
Very good. Okay. Vedamshi.
Yes, Mataji. Gopyochuhu Jayati Tedikam Janmanamrija Shrayata Indira Shashwadatrahi Dayati Drusyatam Dikshutavakas Tvaidrita Swavas Tvam Vichinvate. Hare
Very
Krishna
good.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yeah. Sanvi. I'm coming.
गोप्य उच्चुः जयति ते जयति ते
This silent.
तिकां
Okay.
जन्मना व्रजा शयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्रहि
Shashwadatrahi.
तैति दृश्यतां दिक्षु तावकस्त्वयि
Dhritasvas.
धृतस्वस्त्वां विचिन्वते.
Very good. Okay. Sudiksha. Mute. Unmute yourself.
Gopi Uchita
Uchuhu.
Gopyu Uchuhu Jayati Vidikam Janmapa Shastravatra Indira
Rayata Indira.
Shrayata Indira
Shashwadatra.
Shashwadat Jayati Jayati
Daita Drishyatam. Yeah. Daita
Mataji, I
Drishyatam.
stand last line, Mataji.
Okay. Dikshutavakas, you told?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Tvai Dhritashvavas. I'm doing it. Dhritashvavas. Tvam Vichinvate. Okay. Fine.
Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
Yeah, Shivansh. Very good. So keep practicing, okay, with the recording. You're not in the group, right?
Yes,
Sudhi-
Mataji.
I will add you. Yeah.
Mataji, Mataji.
Yeah, you are in the group?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, okay. Fine. Yeah. Shivansh.
गोप्यौचुः जयति दिखं जन्मनाव्रजा श्रेयत इंदिरा सस्वद आत्रहि
Daita.
दयिता दृश्यतं दिक्षु तव कास्त्याकी
Tvai.
त्वयि
Dhritashvavas.
त्वं विचिन्वते.
Okay. Aradhita.
गोप्योचुः जयति तेदिकं जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शश्वदत्रहि दयितदृश्यतं दिक्षु तावकस्तैर्धृतः स्ववास् त्वं विचिन्वते. हरे
Very
कृष्ण.
good. Thank you. Yeah. Shraddha.
हरे कृष्ण. गोप्यौचुः जयति तेदिकं जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शश्वदत्रहि तैतदृश्यतां दिक्षु तावकास्त्वयि धृतासवस्त्वां विचिन्वते.
Very good. Yes, Ram.
गोप्यौचुः जयति देदिकं जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शाश्वदत्रहि दयति दृश्यतां दिक्षु तावकास्त्वयि धृतस्वस्त्वां विचिन्वते.
Very good. Meera.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी.
Hare Krishna.
गोप्यचुः जयति देदिकं जन्मना व्रजा श्रयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि
Shashwadatra, okay, not long. The two changes. Shashwad means eternal. Shashwad means eventually, okay, slowly it will happen like that. Two different.
शाश्वतत्र हि
Hmm.
दैत्यदृष्टतां दिक्षु तावकास् त्वयिता सवास् त्वं विचिन्वते
Very good. Yes, Priyanjali.
गोप्यौचुः जयति तेऽधिकं जन्मना व्रजा जयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतप्रभु दयितदृश्यताम् इक्षुतावकाश वैदिताशवास त्वां विचिन्वते
Okay. Maithili Vaidegi.
गोप्यौचुः जयति देदिकं जन्मना व्रजा शयत इन्दिरा शश्वतत्र हि दैत्यदृक्ष्यन्तं दृश्यता दीक्षुतावकाश
Very good. Yeah. Radhe Govinsham.
गोप्यौचुः जयति तेऽधिकं जन्मना व्रजा शयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि दयितदृश्यतां दिक्षु तावकाश त्वयिता स्वभास् त्वं विचिन्वते.
Very good. Yeah. Hira, are you there?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, go on.
गोप्यौचुः जयति देद्रिकं जन्मना वृजय शयत इन्दिरा शश्वतत्र हि दयितदृश्यतां दिक्षु तावकाश त्वयिता सवास त्वां विचिन्वते.
Very
हरे
good.
कृष्ण माताजी.
Thank you. Yeah, Sara.
गोप्यौचुः जयति तेऽधिकं जन्मना व्रज श्रयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि दयितदृश्यतां दिक्षु तावकाश त्वयिता स्ववास त्वां विचिन्वते.
Very good. Gandharvika Dhanvin.
जयति वेदिकां जन्मजा शयत इन्द्रिया शाश्वतत्र हि दयति दृश्यतां दिक्षुतावकाश त्वं विचिन्वते. हरे
Very
कृष्ण
good.
माताजी.
Hare Krishna. Yeah. Chirag and Taruni.
गोप्य उच्चः जयति देदिकं जन्मना व्रज श्रयत इन्दिरा शाश्वतत्र हि दयति दृश्यतां दिक्षु तावकाश त्वयिदृश्य सर्वदा त्वां विचिन्वते.
Dhrita Swavas. Okay. Dhrita Swavas.
ओके माताजी. हरे कृष्ण.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, Aditi. 1 minute.
जयति तेदिकं
Gopyuchuhu.
गोप्यौचुः जयति तेदिकं जन्मना व्रज श्रयत इन्दिरा शश्वतत्र हि दयितदृश्यतां दिक्षु तावकाश त्वयिता सवास त्वां विचिन्वते.
Very good. Yes, Arjun.
जयति ते आदिकं
Gopyuchuhu.
जन्मव्रज
Gopyuchuhu.
गोप्यौच जयति ते आदिकं जन्म व्रज शयत इन्दिरशश्वदात्रहि दयितदृश्यं दिक्षुतावकस् त्वयि धृतसवस्तं विचिन्वते.
Okay. Okay, so all of you are okay? Those who are new, is it okay, Shloka? Is it okay? It's difficult? Right? All of you, so you might find it boring that you have to so many times 1 minute, so many times you have to repeat. But you will learn the shloka even in the class itself. You don't have to practice, but still you all of you will practice, okay? So one point here, gopis are telling about Vraja. Vraja is very special, right? Why Vrindavan is very special? Anyone can tell?
Because there is Krishna.
Very good. Who told?
Mataji, me Vedamshi.
Vedamshi, all of you give a clap for her because Krishna is there. So whenever, so lesson from here from the gopis is, whenever we connect anything with Krishna, then that becomes very special, right? Like Vrindavan. So if you remember Krishna in a classroom, in your home, in temple, then that means there Vrindavan is there. Wherever we remember Krishna, Vrindavan is there. Vrindavan is not just a location, right? It is Krishna's own abode. It came from the spiritual world when Krishna came. So first, gopis are remembering about the Vrindavan, Janmana Vraja, where Krishna took birth. So they are starting from there. Even though they were searching for Krishna, but now they are glorifying, oh Vrindavan, that Vrindavan is a place where Krishna appeared. So all glories to you. Why Vrindavan is very special? Even Lakshmi want to go and stay there. That is what the gopis are telling. So the lesson is that wherever we are remembering Krishna, that becomes Vrindavan. And the gopis didn't straight away tell that, oh Krishna, you left us. But they want to make Krishna happy, not themselves. So these two things we should remember, that whenever we do something, whenever we offer prayers, when we offer bhoga, whenever we do something, we always, what we should do? We should offer it for the pleasure of Krishna, not for our own self. Right? Yeah, so we'll finish it here. So few questions, I'll put it for you all. Then you can remember those things, that as a lessons. Because Krishna glorified Vrindavan, because it is connected with Krishna. And how we can remember Krishna always? By chanting, by reading.
Chanting Hare Krishna mantra.
Yeah, chanting Hare Krishna mantra. Any other way we can remember Krishna?
By doing kirtan.
By doing kirtan.
By
Reading about Krishna.
Reading about Krishna. Yes.
Telling about
One-
Krishna's
one at a time.
pastimes to the devotees.
One.
telling about Krishna.
You talking about or telling about Krishna. Very good.
Stories.
Gandharvika, yes.
By learning stories, Mataji.
By learning stories. Yes, Aradhita.
Mataji, can you repeat the question again? By seeing Krishna.
How can we remember Krishna when we are not in temple, when we are not...
By reciting Bhagavatam.
By reciting Bhagavatam, by reciting Bhagavad Gita, right?
By telling Krishna's pastimes to other devotees.
By telling Krishna's pastimes to other devotees, by offering prayers.
Remembering Krishna's Leela.
There are 9 ways Prahlad Maharaj told we can remember Krishna. So all of you, this is your homework.
Shravanam Kirtanam.
This is your homework. What you have to do? Shravanam Kirtanam, put a point and write it and send it to me. Okay? Yeah.
The 9 forms of bhakti are Shravanam, Kirtanam, Haranam, Vandanam, Archanam, Padasevanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam.
Atmanivedana. Very good. Okay, the 9 process, how you all can do. Prahlad Maharaj told the 9 process, right? How you are all doing.
We can draw.
You can draw, you can write, whatever you want, you can do it and send it to me, okay? So I can also be inspired from you all. Yeah, okay, simple things we will learn. How gopis glorified Vrindavan, how they always remembered Krishna, and they continue to search for Krishna in the coming
He can
shlokas
even
also.
draw devotees example.
No, not devotees example, right? How you are doing, how your kirtanam is going on. Your kirtanam is going on when I do every day 5 minutes kirtan in front of the Lord, or how your Shravanam is going on. I hear some stories from my mama before I go to bed. So those things, okay? How you are doing the 9 process of devotional service, right? If you're not doing anything, it's okay. It is not the problem. You will tell, right, that this is how we can do. Vandanam is offering prayers. You can offer some Bhagavad Gita shlokas, or you can offer Bhagavatam prayers. Any prayer, you are offering every day this prayer, okay? Atma Nivedanam, even if we are not doing, we can write that I wish to offer everything to Krishna before I do something. Okay, that is how you can write your simple ways. Fine? It's okay, all of you? Class is okay?
Yes,
Anything difficulty? No, right?
No, Mataji.
So the whole week you're all practicing this shloka. By next Sunday, all of you will by heart this shloka and come. Is it okay?
Yes, Mataji.
Is it difficult?
Mataji.
Not difficult, right? Okay, fine. Okay,
I want to read the translation.
translation. Okay, yeah, go on. Please read.
The gopis said, "O beloved, your birth in the land of Vraja has made it exceedingly glorious." And thus Indra, the goddess of fortune, always
Resides here.
resides here. It is only for you,
For your
for
sake.
your
Hmm.
that we your devoted servants maintain
Our lives.
life.
Hmm.
We have been searching everywhere for you. So please show yourself to us.
Okay, so even though they started with glorifying the Vrindavan, and then Indira is the name of Lakshmi. Okay, Lakshmi, who is fortune, she is a goddess of fortune. Fortune means good luck. She gives good luck, wealth, everything. But she is waiting in Vrindavan for serving Krishna. Okay, so now submitting all these things at the end, please show yourself to us. Okay, the 19 shlokas are going to be the prayers of gopis to Krishna. Right? So all of you will practice, right?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Thank you very much. I'm really thankful to all of you also for giving this opportunity. So we'll meet on next week. Okay, with all of you. If you can practice the shloka before, you can send me a recording. Okay, before Sunday, Saturday or Sunday, whenever you practice, then you can send me your recording, either personally or you can put it in the group also. Okay, fine. Okay, then thank you all very much. So we'll chant one Hare Krishna mantra, everyone.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama, Hare Rama.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Yes.
Mataji,
Yes, Shivansh.
if you have time, I can chant the Gajendra Moksham recitation.
Okay, we'll end this class and you join again in the Gajendra Moksham link. Okay. Anybody, any doubt? All clear?
Yes,
Okay, then
Mataji.
thank you all very much.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Danda
Hare
Pranam.
Krishna, Radhita. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Chirag, Taruni. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Radhika Madhavi. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Meera.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Mataji,
Yes, Sudiksha.
I was not added in the group, Mataji.
Okay, I'll add. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
Mataji. Hare Krishna,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Dviti.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Maithili.
Hare
Vaidyaji.
Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Dandavat
Krishna,
pranam.
Aditi. Just I'll be back with Madhushri.